everyone, this is April Nicole Design. I am April. I'm going to show you how to repair a zipper on my bubble coat today. I've had this coat for years, since high school, y'all, and I still wear it today. I don't wear it too often because the zipper pull broke in the dryer a long time ago. What am I going to do with this? This is not how to zip up a coat. Look at this. No. No to the raggedy zipper. Throw the whole coat away. The zipper is unzipping as I pull it. Seriously? What do I do? I found this zipper repair kit at my local craft store, and it was the only zipper repair kit by this brand. No, they're not sponsoring this video. It has basic instructions on the back with further detailed instructions on their website. There's also a measurement guide for this size zipper slider. The zipper teeth should measure 5 millimeters closed. The zipper itself is fine, and it does zip up, but without the zipper pull, it makes it difficult to zip up my coat. Here's a closer look at the broken zipper pull. First, I need to remove the broken slider. The contents of the kit has two pieces, one being the slider and the second piece is called a fork. Here's a closer look at the fork. Here's a closer look at the slider. I try to insert the fork into the broken zipper pull to remove it, but as you can see, it's not working. Now the website instructs for you to use a pair of cutting pliers. I don't have any, so I'm going to use jewelry pliers. I don't recommend using jewelry pliers for obvious reasons, but I have to use what I have. Struggling. And struggling some more. I'm trying to bend it enough to loosen it off the teeth. Still struggling. Back with the fork. Still struggling some more. Let me stop before I pop a nail off. Finally, success. Next step is to open the new slider by using the fork. Insert the fork on the bottom hole of the zipper slider. Push the fork down and the slider simultaneously to open the slider. Now that it's open, you want to sandwich the slider with the zipper teeth on the side with the retainer box. It's that small square that's at the bottom of the zipper, sort of like a stopper. Then clamp down the slider to close. It's that easy. This is considered a separating zipper, but you can also use this product on non-separating zippers as well. Let's test it. Here's a closer look at the new slider with a functioning zipper pull. Yes, I can zip my coat up now. You can't tell me nothing now. Now I can dance all in the video without my zipper coming down. Let me stop before I break the zipper. Bye, thanks for watching.